Okay, good day everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel on live trade with Precise Trader. Today is 25th October and this is a Europe session and we are going to trade live on mainly with gold and yen, and of course if there is any opportunity on other crosses we will be also paying attention to that. Okay, do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicating for future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of any trade with your broker before you put in your trades. So with that, I think we proceed with the live trades. Okay, before we begin today, we the data that is going key data that is going to be out is tonight Canadian core retail sales and retail sales, and tonight I think we'll be trading around 2000 hours. This is going to be a news trading call. Then of course we have from the US durable goods and orders, and followed by 2200 hours revised consumer sentiment. So these are the key data that is going to be out tonight. We we were trying to take some trades today morning. I think on the yen crosses we missed, but I think the price target was reached. Okay, and the gold we shorted, and we were trying to. Let me change the screen. Gold we shorted. I think we entered a bit early, and we closed it because we expected the price to move higher, and we wanted to sell at 35. But I think the highest it went was 32, 32 half, and we were trying to buy dollar yen, euro yen, pound yen, and all missed entry, because we missed about 5 pips, and I'm not sure how many of you managed to get on trade. But if you are able to take the trade, then definitely it would have been profitable. We would have made about 100 over pips on all these three crosses. Apart from that, I think no other trades was filled and everything was pretty quiet. Okay, and as of now, I think we have some working orders. Let me see what are the working orders. Okay, we were trying to sell gold at 35 half, and in fact I think we missed the entry, so now I think we have to catch that move now. Then dollar yen, Sing dollar, all is all quite further apart, so let it work its way. Okay, and also we were trying, I think the time also expired, to buy on New Zealand, New Zealand and Aussie. Okay. Okay. Anyway, let's start move around. Let's start get into business. Okay. The gold. Okay. Let me check the. So we have seen weakness coming in, and looks like we have three candles showing red, which means that on the 15-minute the market has turned down. Okay, and of course we need to know what is the time control. Okay, remember we need to do the five factors which we need before we put in our trades. Basically they are the trend control, time control, trade control, and benchmark levels, and the daily boundaries. Okay, so if you know all the answers, then we have a very clear understanding of how the market is and where the order should be placed and how and what is to be expected, so on and so forth. So to begin with, the trend control is like I think I did tell you that this is on the weekly still up. Okay, weekly is still up, weekly and monthly. So the time control right now we see the 360 down. Okay, so now we have a two contradicting factor. That means the trend, the major trend is still up, and the immediate trend is the market is still is still pointing down. Okay, the major trend is still up. Okay, so we need to know how far this price can go in the event if the price breaks, and we need to see when this correction would be over. Okay, then of course finally the benchmark level. So if you look into the not benchmark, boundary level. So if you look into the boundary, uh, the the daily boundary is 2709. We see here 2709 on the low side, and on the high side, yesterday's high was 2743 half, and today I think it's about 36. So we can take these two levels as benchmark levels and boundary, meaning the price is not expected to move higher than 36 and 43. So these are the two levels for us to take note. Then if you notice, the market is trading near the low and is making lower highs. Okay, that is another clue which we are getting. That means we are getting a lower high. So which means the low is expected to break, and we should see the price pushing towards 2716 and 2709. Okay, so these are the next levels. So overall is, I think we should be holding a sell, and we should see the price moving lower and testing the lows, and most likely we may have seen the high. We may have seen the high because the daily boundary is like as I told you, the high side is 2736 and 2743. So these are the two levels which we need to pay attention. So as of now, we see the 360 is flat, 720 is two selling forces, and daily we have RL1 is a support, and once it breaks that, I think more weakness is expected. So we got to see what is that level. Then of course we look into the weekly to get the major reversal level or major target. Okay, let's see whether any other. We also have some support on the previous day. Okay, previous day RC1 and RL1. Okay, let's get all these numbers. That means current day RL1, previous day level, and weekly. So these are the three levels we need to get for us to get the information. So market is making lower high, and in fact today's low is 24. So right now this market is trading near 25, and once it's expected to break, then we should see 2716 and 2709, which is current week low. So these are the two benchmark levels which we need to write it down or get focused. So once it breaks this level, then we are expecting the price to move lower. Okay, then also we need to see the time control. That the time control will tell you how far this target can be reached. Okay, let's get into the system. Okay, so we are trading near the low. Okay, now if this level breaks, I think the next support we can see is 2716. Okay, 2716. Just give me a minute. Okay, so now let's start the business. Let's get on board. Okay, so now if you look into your 360, Okay, 360 is already started trading below the open. So that tells us that this weakness may last for another 3 hours. Okay, this is expected to last for another 3 hours. So if it's going to last for 3 hours, then we should comfortably see the price breaking this low, and once it breaks, we should see the price to moving towards 16 and even this low. Okay, and for projection wise, okay, we see immediate support at 16, 16 or 18 and 12. Okay, these are the levels which we need to stay focused. So now today also I feel, I want to start giving you some we call it a price flow. Okay, price flow meaning how the levels are expected. Then I'm going to share with you these levels. Then at least you can stay concentrated. Then we see how we can play this game, with a very effective way. Okay, what do I mean by that? Okay, I'm just going to share with you uh, the price flow. Okay, now what we are going to see now is, okay, right now is we have just started this. Okay, let's see whether this level breaks. So this level is a key level, and this has to be a make or break scenario. And once it breaks, then we should be in this trade. Okay, next thing is, if we have not taken the trade, okay, we can try to enter the trade, and we see. So now the price flow, what we feel is the price, once it breaks this level, the price should move down towards 21, 18 and 16, okay, or max 12. So what we can expect is, we can expect the market to have a base somewhere near 16 or 12. Then we should see a pullback. Okay, the pullback, and the pullback should not go beyond 23. So in other words, okay, what is going to happen is, okay, we feel that this low is going to break, and we see whether the low happens at 16 or 12. So any one of these levels, we foresee that the market may see the low. Then 16 or 12, we can either we can go for a quick buy and try to exit before 2020 half. Then again we go for a sell again at 23. Okay, if the trend, if this level breaks, then everything happens as expected, then we can see the price as we expect. Okay, I repeat, we are expecting the price to break low, and if that happens, we should see the base or some support near 2716 or 2712, and then from there we should see some bounce back or pull back towards 20 or 20 half. Depends on where the low happens. If it happens at 16, then the pullback may be shallow. If the low happens at 12 or even lower, then we may get the pullback towards 18 half or 20 half. So it all depends on where the low happens. Okay, so that is the first thing we need to know. Then I'm also going to tell you alternatively how we can manage this trade. Okay, as of now, I want to be in this trade. Okay, and right now my benchmark level is 27, 28, sorry, 29. 29, I want to put my stop. Okay, and I want to enter at 26. Okay, let me see what is the time control. Okay, the time control is still good enough. Okay, I think we are still good enough. Okay, what we can do is we can go for a sell. Okay, let's trade this. This is going to be a momentum trade. Okay, this is going to be a momentum trade, and we are trying to sell Okay, we definitely we want to be in this trade, huh? So you try to sell at 27255. Okay, stop. Uh, or you want to hit the market, you may also do that. Okay, you may want to hit the market, also you may do that. 25. I leave it to you all. Okay, but the stop has to be 249 half. Okay, and 2717 as the TP. Okay, you can be in the trade. We can enter this trade, and this is where I'm entering. So I let you all decide whether you want to hit the market. But the only thing is, when you hit the market, then your stop loss has to be uh, uh, lower. Okay. So okay, let me put in this trade. Okay, the break happened. Okay, the break happened as expected. Okay, so we are in this trade. Uh, okay, let me try to enter this trade. Okay, I'm trying to enter at 24 half or 25. Okay, so I let you decide what you want to do. Okay, so so if we are trying to enter here, okay, remember the tight stop, we should place either uh, 27 half or 20 28 or 28 half. Let's say we put a 30-minute high. Yeah, so I think the ideal stop should be about 28 half. Okay, 28 half, and I am trying to enter the trade. Okay, about 25. Okay, let me adjust the level, or maybe I may want to hit the market at 25. Just try to see the market. Okay, let's see. Still, my order is not filled. It's at 24. Okay, maybe we can change it to 24 half. Okay, 24 half. Okay, it's breaking lower. Okay, I just want to hit the market at 24 half. Okay, I got it. Okay, my stop is 27 half, and my TP is 17. Okay, so I've already into the trade. Let me see. Okay, so now I'm also going to teach how we are going to manage this trade. Okay, this is trade managing is a very important aspect which is very important, especially if you are trading and especially you are sitting into the trade. Okay, we are already like 20 pips in the money, we are in the game. Okay, let it work. So now how I'm going to manage this is, okay, my eyes would be on this 15-minute candle. Okay, my eyes would be on 15-minute, and I have to see what is the time remaining on this candle. So I have another 9 minutes left. Okay, I have another 9 minutes left on this. So all I know is I'm in the safe zone. Okay, I'm in the safe zone, and I'm into the trade, and I just want to hold my trade at least for another 9 minutes. Okay, now see, okay, looks like 17. Okay, never mind. I think we exit at 17 is okay. So we are about 330 pips in the money, and we are waiting. So now what my immediate thing is, okay, I'm sitting in front of the screen. So now I want to reduce my stop from just now I put at 27 half. I want to reduce it to 25 half. So that means my risk is only $1. Okay, I reduce my stop, and this is what I have to do. So I reduce, and I wait for my price target to reach. So this is what we need to, and we are still very safe on this trade. Okay, why I'm telling you is we have 8 more minutes, and what we can do is you can also put 1 minute chart. Okay, 1 minute chart, as long as you don't see. Okay, I think we should see at least 19 or uh, 19 or 17. Okay, let's see. So as long as this price doesn't go above this 24 half, okay, we can still hold the trade. Okay, we can still hold the trade, and you see this 15 minute is still down, so we will wait for this 15 minutes to uh, end its time belt, then we decide on the trade. Okay, so what we are expecting, like I told you, I'm giving you the price flow now. Okay, what I'm expecting now is, okay, let me see, I'm able to do that. Uh, just give me 1 minute. I want to see whether I can do. Okay, I'm not sure where is this. Let me just one more time. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we have. Okay. So here, what I'm expecting, I told you. Okay, I'm expecting the price to uh, test. Okay, test 17. Okay, as of now, I think we are still in the money, and we want to test. We want to take profit at 17. Okay, now what I feel is, okay, TP somewhere, take TP at 2717, and and we have another 5 more minutes. Okay, 5 more minutes for this candle to complete. So once this 5 more minutes time, in fact 4 more minutes, once this time is finishing, we got to be a bit cautious because the next candle we may get a strong pullback. Okay, so what we will try to do is we will try to stay focused, and we see. Okay, we should see either 19 or 17. Okay, 19 or 17, and we are still. We should see some more weakness, and let's see then. We'll see how we can close this trade. Okay. 3 more minutes. Okay, 3 more minutes, and okay, maybe what I would suggest, we try to see. Okay, let me see, 30 minute. Okay, 30 minute is down. 60 is also down. Okay, is also down. Okay, so the pullback we can expect. Okay, for those of you who are already into the trade, hold your trade, hold your sell. Then for those of you who have not managed to enter the trade, okay, you can do a re-entry somewhere near 2723. Okay, 2723 or 2723 half. So you try to do a re-entry if you are not into the trade. 23 or 24, somewhere 24. Okay, let me try to enter one more trade. Okay, for those of you who have not managed to enter the trade, try to go for a sell at 23 half, and your stop has to be 27 half, your stop. Then your TP is 17. Okay, your TP is 2717, and the time we can give for this is until minimum is 30 minutes, but of course it can go up to 2.5 hours. Okay, we can give another 2.5 hours for this trade to realize its profit. Okay, so we also give you the time to hold the trade to, yeah, so minimum 30 minutes we should be seeing our profit. If not, then we should be, excuse me, sorry, another 30 minutes I think we should be able to realize our profit. If not, we should be giving another 2 more hours. So, but most likely we should be making money on this trade. The thing what we need to get ourselves prepared is once we are in the money, we have to lower our stop so at least it becomes a free ride. Okay, what do we mean by free ride? That means right now I think I've revised my stop to 2725 half. Then I have another entry trying to sell at 2723 half, and for this my stop is 27 half. So and my target I'm looking at is minimum is 17. If it breaks, we may see 12. Okay, we may see 12 or even lower, 2709. So this is the trade. Okay, let's work on that trade. Then we see whether we have any opportunity on dollar yen. Okay, the dollar yen. Okay, let's see dollar yen. Let the trade work, because you see, we just not just by focusing one, of course, I mean, we have the stop, we have the price target, let it work. Okay, as far as the dollar yen is concerned, okay, what the system is saying is, okay, probably we may have seen the low. We should be looking to buy somewhere 51.80. Then if your 52.05 breaks, we should see 152.35. Okay, 152.35. So stop, our 360 low is 131.50. Okay, let's see how we can trade this. Okay, now we want to buy at 80, and this is your benchmark level. Okay, stop at 60. Okay, so what we do here is we try to buy at 75. Okay, 75, stop at 50, TP at 5225. Okay, so this one also we can trade. Okay, we go for dollar yen, buy 15175, stop at 50, 15225. Okay, and this expiry is, okay, we'll give until 6, that means 1.5 hour. So this would be another trade which we can also look into. Okay, but of course if it breaks the high, then probably we may want to go for a sell. Okay, we may want to go for a sell, but the selling should be near 152 60 or 80. That level I think I'll be giving on the signals. You can get it from the live signals. Okay, right now it's still the gold still hanging in there. Your 15-minute is still safe, so we will just give some more time. Okay, we will give some more time. Okay. Okay, I repeat on the gold for gold traders. Okay, for those of you who have come in late, okay, in fact we shorted at 2724 half. Okay, 24 half, and our stop we have, in fact we are putting as 27 half. We should have revised it to 26 half. Okay, that means it's about 20 pips, and our TP is 2717. Okay, TP is 2717, and we are giving until another half an hour, okay, to reach our TP. So what we would be doing is within another 25 minutes, either our TP we should realize, or we will close the trade at whatever price we will get. We'll try to close the trade and we'll try to realize the profit. So we don't want to take. I mean, of course, we can give another 2 hours. If you for you, it depends on your individual risk reward and your patience. So if you give another 2 hours, then definitely we should be able to see our price target. Okay. So now I think it's breaking the low. We are still on the safe side and we are still in the safe zone. And like again, I told you this, we'll give another uh, 20 25 minutes. So hopefully within that 20 25 minutes, we should see our price target reached. Okay. So now it has already broke the low. Okay, now it's already broke the low. Uh, let's see. So just be a bit careful because 19, there is a small support at minor support at 19. 19. See whether the 19 breaks. Okay. So dollar yen. Okay, still quiet. I think we are not in a hurry. We wanted to buy at 75 or lower. Okay, then the only thing we have to take note is we should be either exiting before 5205 or extension of this level, which is 5225. These are the targets for dollar yen. So this is the next trade which we are looking into. Then pound and euro. Pound and euro. Let's see. Euro. Okay, euro. I think we should be seeing the price moving higher towards 60. Okay, 60 or 70. So we have another 30 pips available on the market, and pound also we should see the price seeing at least about 130. So we have about 30 pips on both these crosses. Okay, euro and pound, we can get about 30 pips on this both the thing, and let's see what happens. Okay, now gold. Okay, we are still on the safe side. Okay, now what I want you to do is I want you to revise your stop to 22.8. Okay, slightly above the high of this candle. So reduce it to 22.8 in the event. Okay, in the event if we get some spike up, at least we have some profits taken. Okay, so we have reduced the stop. Still working on eyeing on 17. Okay, we have 19. Remember I told you there is a minor support at 19. Okay, there is a minor support at 19. We have another 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes for this candle to finish. And the 30 also, we have another 20 more minutes. So I think we should be able to see our target hit, most likely, unless we don't see any buying pressure coming into play. So now we are getting 19, close to 19. Pay attention at this level a bit because we might get some pullback, slight pullback, maybe towards 20 half or 21. So if there is no pullback, then I think we are still safe and sound on this trade. Okay, we should not see the price going above 20 or 21. Huh? So we'll see, and still more weakness is expected for another 15, 19 minutes. Okay, 19 minutes. So for 19 minutes, we are looking at $2. Hopefully, we reach our price target. 19. So we already, think made about 50, 55 pips. Okay, we will see what we can do. Okay. Remember, I told you, 19, we might get a small pullback. That's what we are seeing now. But as long as it doesn't go above 21, I think we should be still be safe. We have 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes left. And another 15 minutes if the weakness lasts. Another 15 minutes also we should see the weakness. Okay. Let's see dollar yen, any movement. Okay, dollar yen, think we still stuck. Okay, I'm just looking to get it cheaper, somewhere near 80 or another 20 pips cheaper. So we don't have to be, and let's concentrate on gold. Okay, now you see here the strength came in as expected from 19. Okay, still so another 15 minutes. Okay, this I'll let you all decide. Okay, for those of you who want to book your profit now, you may do so. Okay, because the price may bounce back. Okay, may bounce back, or you want to wait for another 15 minutes to reach your target 17. Okay, is also up to you. So it's an individual decision. Okay, so now what I feel is maybe I may want to close it at 20 half instead of 17. So at least whatever I make, I just want to make this thing first, and I don't want to lose the thing. Okay, so 20 half try to close, or if you want to wait for another 15 more minutes, it's up to you to decide, okay, whether you want to wait, and you may get 17. Okay, and now I think I've already closed my trade, and I've already out of this trade. 20 half I've already closed. So for those of you who wants to wait, okay, this is up to you to decide for another 15 minutes. Then I suggest you uh, you go for a either 17 or another 15 minutes you close. Okay, so the next one, okay, again I'm telling you, I told you today we are going to do something special, like I'm going to tell you the price flows. So now what we can expect is, okay, what we can expect is, okay, I'm going to tell you now. Okay, this one I've already booked my profit. Okay, hold on. I got one more to close. Okay, just give me a minute. I'm trying to close one more position. Okay, so now it's not getting close. Okay, now what I am, okay, closed. Thank you. Okay, now one more thing is, we can expect this weakness, this market to turn uh, even, I mean, can go lower. We have to wait for another 2.5 hours. Okay, 2.5 hours, and we may see 12. Okay, let me see. 12. We should see the price bouncing back somewhere before 12, or even 10. Okay, somewhere before 10 we should see some bouncing back, but now I want to do a re-entry. Okay, remember I told you I've already booked my profit. Now I want to do a re-entry. So this re-entry is, I'm looking to sell somewhere near okay, let me give you the level. 23. Okay, 23 or okay, 23 I think should be okay. 23, slightly higher we can go, but 23 should be more than enough. Okay, so I'm going to sell at 23, stop at 27 half, and that one I'm planning to exit before 12. Okay, before 12. That means there is $11 move I am expecting on this. So here, this is going to be a momentum trade. Two seven two three. Okay, 2 3. Stop at 2727 half and 271. Let me double check. Okay, 1 2. 1 2. And this one, the expiry is until 20 uh, 2000 hours Singapore time. That means another 3 hours. Okay, so we the thing now how we are going to trade this market is, okay, right now we are already out of the trade, and we are trying to do a re-entry, and the re-entry is, we try to sell somewhere 22 half also I think should be okay, 22 half, 23, but definitely below 24, definitely below 24. So we'll try to sell, and we expect an extension of this level, which is 11 12 we should be able to get. Okay, we should be able to get. So this is going to be our next game. So there's two ways which we can trade this. One is we try to wait for the low. Okay, this low I'm not sure whether it's going to happen at 17 or 14 or maybe 12, but the low should happen. The only clue I can give you is within the next 4 hours. Okay, 3 to 4 hours. The low should happen within the next 3 to 4 hours. Okay, then we should get some pullback. Okay, we should get some pullback, and we try to re-enter on that pullback for the price to go lower. Okay, overall, if you ask me about the boundary, okay, this 2709, okay, which is a very important level, which was 23rd low. If in the event, if that low breaks, we may see the price heading towards 2698 or even 2692. But I think the 2701, there is a small support, some I wouldn't say small, major support. You see this the system. 2701, okay, there is a strong support at 2701, and 2695 is the major support. Then if we look on to the weekly, yeah, 2706, 2706, 271415, there are two strong levels, so 2713. I think we should get a bounce. Okay, we should get a correction or retracement somewhere near 2712 or 13. So we don't want to take that risk. And remember, we told you that, okay, this weakness is expected to last at least for another 6 more minutes, 15. So even though we close it early, I think I think it's okay. We don't regret on doing that. So we will just wait for the next trading opportunity. Then, as far as currencies is concerned, we don't have much movement. Literally, it's all flat. So we will see you again, and watch out for signals from the website. If you're not, I mean, we are not doing the YouTube session. If you really want to trade with us, then like what I've been guiding you the same manner we'll be doing it on the US session. So once again, for those of you who are coming first time, if you feel, we have done a good job, try to like us and subscribe to our services, and please refer your friends, so at least we can do more discussion and more trading opportunities. Especially, we can within 1-2 minutes we can generate couple of signals straight away. We decide what we want to do, and we will just hold on to the trades, and we will tell you what to be expected. And in the event, if the market goes against, then we also teach you how to handle that situation, and that needs a lot of experience and a lot of guidance, which you can definitely learn from us, and you can count on us. Okay, Okay, once again, thank you for attending our session and looking forward to see you again tonight at 20 100 hours, and that is going to be a news trading. So we have a Canadian data out and US data. So there might be some opportunities, definitely, because the dollar right now, the dollar is showing some weakness against euro, pound, yen. I think because there is an election coming in over the weekend, so yen we have to be a bit careful. But euro and pound is showing some stability. Then Swiss franc is flat, no movement. Then Aussie and New Zealand yet to bottom yet. So I think the next currency we can focus is euro dollar and pound. Okay, which we might do during the US session. Okay, thank you once again, and looking forward to see you again. Bye.